Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And we're going to talk a little bit about our mixture cables. Now, there are two issues with the older mixture cables. One was in the 1975 Tigers, and the other one was in the two-place airplanes, where you had to change your mixture cable out every 500 hours. Now, let's take a look at those. In the case of the 75 Tiger, it was just the bad placement of the cable in the center mixture wire would break. I know and I'm opening up the two-place one so we can kind of talk about this with a real piece in front of it. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a mixture cable, and there's the end on it that goes to your cable bug. The problem with the original cables is that they would break off right about here, and it was because of the access point, the way it was held to the carburetor in the Tiger. They eventually changed it to a different kind of cable, and now with the vernier cables that we can buy from McFarlane, Aircraft Spruce, and others, it's not really worthwhile worrying about saving these. Like this particular cable right here has 450 more hours that it can be used before it has to be replaced. Why buy a used cable that you're going to have to replace 500 hours when for the same price you can just about buy a new cable that you never have to change? So anyway, that's a little bit about cables. The original two-place airplanes, they had to be changed every 500 hours to a new cable, and then that takes care of the AD, because the old part number, when you take it out, goes away. You're not replacing with the same part number. The cable's not made anymore. And then in the Tigers, the original first 120-something Tigers had to have their mixture cables replaced because they were breaking because of a bad access point. And as you can see, we've actually saved some of the paperwork back from our 75 Tiger, and you can see what kind of condition it is, which is why we keep the other copy in a nice envelope for preservation. So we hope you found all this useful and informative about the cables and the paperwork. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And here's Linda Mojonnier and Jan Blackman standing beside Ken's old airplane, November 5792 Lima.